Hey YouTube! In case you've been wondering where I've been at the last couple months, I've actually been writing and starring in my own one-woman cabaret comedy show. It is called How to Be an Ethical Slut. So today I'm going to show you how to make the cocktail that I made to go along with the show called the Dirty Slut. Also, as you can see, I'm in a different location. I'm actually here at Hendershot in Athens, Georgia. My show is going to be streaming live from Hendershot Thursday, Friday, Saturday night at 8 o'clock. Live each night. I have a very small invited audience because COVID theater. So, let's make the drink. Okay, so to build the cocktail, the Dirty Slut, we are going to start with an ounce of raspberry syrup. This is actually a homemade syrup. I have another video on my channel that shows you how to make a blackberry syrup, so basically the same thing. So an ounce of raspberry, then we're going to do 3/4 of an ounce of lemon juice. We're going to do an ounce and a half of vodka, and then we're going to shake it up. And we're going to do a quick strain into our rocks glass. And what I like to do is pour a little club right into my shaker, get a little bit of the extra juice, and top it with some bubbly. And then, last but not least, garnish with a fresh raspberry. Fresh raspberry.
Nice.
So, cheers. Now you have a Dirty Slut. Let's see what it tastes like. Super raspberry forward, a little lemony. It's almost like a lemon drop with raspberry, but also with bubbles. So it's really good, really easy to drink, and it's a little sexy to go along with my show. So I hope you can tune in. I'll link the tickets in the info below. So cheers, enjoy your Dirty Sluts if you're making them at home while watching my show. See you later.